Hello friends and good morning. Well, it'll be afternoon by the time you guys see this, but I'm sharing a swap today that I participated in. Friend V reached out and said that Rachel Tellman, who's here on YouTube as well as Instagram, was having a secret Cupid swap that she does, I believe, yearly. And I wasn't doing any at the time, so I was like, sure, why not? I haven't signed up for anything. So I was going to take a break and decided to do it because Valentine's Day is not my strong suit, or it's not one of my favorites like Christmas or Halloween. But I got paired up with Tina, and she sent me this amazing cute little swap. Here's a card she sent me, but you can find her at Tina_crafts_creations here. I think she's here on YouTube as well. I can't remember if it's the same name, but I know on Instagram it's that. So I'll link all her info in the description box. But she sent me a box full of goodies. It was supposed to be a shoebox Valentine basically, so it's a free-for-all, but she filled up a medium size priority box full of all this stuff. I got it yesterday and I opened it last night and then decided not to because the lighting was horrible in my room, so I waited till this morning where I can get good light. Anyways, I'm gonna jump in with this unboxing, and you guys, let me tell you, it's a lot of stuff and it's super cute. Like, I already found these. There wasn't anything specific that we had to make. We just kind of talked to each other and we just said, you know, embellishments, a 3D craft, just a variety of whatever we wanted to make. So I did send her a few things, which I forgot to videotape because I was rushing last minute, because I decided to add more stuff to it and kind of rushed on getting it out so it could be posted today. But look at these little embellishments that are the little toothpick hearts from the Dollar Tree, and she made them little flags. How adorable. I make them different, but I picked these up because I found them the other day and I hadn't seen them this year so far, so I'm excited to maybe try that out. And I think these would be, like, the gold and red would be cute for other holidays too, like just spring crafts, you know. But she sent me 6 of them, you guys. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And I want to say this is the Simple Stories. Everybody's been using Simple Stories. I did not get any. I just picked up one paper pad at Michael's. Okay, she sent me lots of candies, you guys. I am hiding these from my kids because I like these, this flavor. Even the sweet and sour ones, but my kids love sweet and sour like crazy. So I'm pretty sure when they see those, they're gonna try to take them. Look at this set of hearts. Oh my gosh, how cute, you guys. The sequins. I didn't see this at Michael's, although, or I mean Joann's, although it's a hit or miss at my Joann's, the one near me, because it's a smaller one. The big one is like 15-20 minutes away and I'm too lazy to drive out there. Look at these socks. I sent her socks too. These are cute though, the rainbow ones. I didn't see these. Okay, and then she sent me this cute ribbon. I think I'm gonna go to Joann's today because there are ribbons on sale for like 80 cents or something like that. She sent me more candy. Okay, these I might have to give to my kids because these are too sour for me. Way too sour. And then she sent me a Pez dispenser, which this is just going to go on my wall because we tend to collect them here randomly here and there, but I don't have a Valentine's Day one. I think we have a Christmas ones and Halloween ones. And then she sent me this Smucker's, or Sweetheart flavored, I was thinking Smucker's lip balm, which I got one from Maria too, which I'm happy because it's been cold and chilly out here. And then she sent me these rosettes. I am gonna say someone, oh, Caroline's Crafts on Etsy's. How cool are those? I'll link this in the description box because this is super cute, you guys. I am lazy to make these. You cut them out, you know, and then you have to fold them and then glue them. I've gotten lazier as I craft, which is horrible, but I love these because now I can add that to my, okay, crafts. Sorry, I tend to not finish what I'm going to say. Let's start here. Look at this ribbon. Love it. I don't have a red medium that pattern. Okay, I'm just going to tear into this off camera over here. Oh my goodness, you guys, check this little box out. How cute. Ugh, that is adorable. Oh, it's already made box and she just decorated it. How cute is that? I think I'm gonna say it reminds me of the ones at Michael's store. Candy, yes, chocolate I hope they're strawberry flavored, because that I wanted the Dr. Pepper, the strawberry Dr. Pepper. I never found it, but I love this idea. Okay, but I'm going to take those chocolates out, and I think I'm gonna put my all the Valentine. Oh my god, guys, I just got a sniff of like, or not a sniff, but a smell, and it's strawberry scented. It's really strong. Holy moly, I have to wait. It's too early to be eating these. But I think I'm gonna put like what are they called? I have these foam stickers. I think this would be a cute place to put them, and then put them up in my little shelf that I have running out of room. That is so pretty. Good job. Okay, let's go with this. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh, how cute. It's like a wooden heart, and she covered it, or no, it's actually painted that gingham, but she embellished it. Oh, you guys, look at this. Oh, I need to find something to stick this in for my decor. Oh, it's got, I'm like, what is this? It's thread. It's silver thread. Oh, that is so pretty. Tina, look at this. It's a yarn. Oh, that's cute. Super cute colors. I love this. I'm really feeling the turquoise pink vibes. I'm gonna have to get this collection now that everybody else has been playing with it. I love that. Okay, let's jump into this one. Oh, I didn't share this, and she sent me this super cute Chanel yarn, which I don't have. I haven't seen this at this Dollar Tree near me. I think that's Dollar Tree. Okay, I gotta save this pretty ribbon. Let's see. Sorry guys, I'm trying to go as fast as I can, but not tear the tissue because I want to save the tissue. Okay. Not happening. Okay, not. Oh, pom-pom trim. Okay, I did not. Look at this. How cute. I did not have any of this stuff at my Dollar Tree. Nope, not this either. How cute is this? These are cool because they're wooden hearts. And you could totally add a little sticker in there. What? Cutting dies? I needed small hearts too. So thank you so much for that. And my Dollar Tree is lacking, man. Oh, Jolie hearts. Oh, Jolie's Boutique, I mean. But how pretty are these hearts? They're like cabochon hearts. These are so pretty because they're glittered. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I am definitely in need of all that stuff. So yay. Okay, let's see. I did not do a good job of wrapping mine because I put it in a box. I found this really cool box. Or not, it wasn't cool. It was a Christmas box that I picked up at Michael's. Oh, cute. Anyways, and I'm like 10 different places at once. I just decorated it and fit everything inside, but I jam-packed it. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is such a cute idea. Okay, I am so going to copy you now. This is so pretty. I love these flowers. That is such a cute little die set. Oh my gosh. I wonder, oh, I'm seriously in love with these. Oh, how cute, you guys. Look at this. Oh, and look, it's one of those like caboodles is what it reminds me of. Oh, how exciting. I'm gonna add this to my tag flip hanger thing that I have on my wall. Oh my gosh, I am in love, and I'm just on the first page. Look at this. That is so pretty. Sequins back there. Oh, the little card. This is so cute. The library card back there. Oh, I love this paper. I'm gonna order it. Look at this. Oh, be mine. Oh, this is so pretty. You did such an awesome job. Oh, look at this shaker. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to, I'm gonna do a reels with this one because holy moly, how gorgeous, you guys. Oh, look at this one with the combing. All I need is you. I mean, but it reminds me of well, it says Call Me There, but the Blondie song. Oh, look at this one. Oh, look at the stitching goes this way and this way. How cool, Tina. I wonder if this would be cute to put pictures in the back of like my kids, like all their school pictures for or Valentine's Day. Super, super cute. Oh my gosh, this was such a good idea here. Love, 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 you guys. Okay, I'm definitely using this for Valentine's Day storage, but I want to display this, but it's good for storage. I have a dilemma because I don't want this to get the flowers to get ruined. Okay, last one, guys. Taking my sweet time. Oh, what? Oh, I want to say I saw her share this and it didn't register to me that we were, it was Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay. Oh, look at this. Okay, I definitely want this collection now. Where do I even put this? Like, I want the front to show. I want the back to show. Like, how can, and then she put her name back on the bottom. How adorable, you guys. Oh, look at this side. Oh, I am so displaying this up. I went to go look for a shelf and I did not find a good one. Oh my gosh, I don't want to, like, look at this. The little books. Super, super cute. Okay, let's see. She used seam binding. Oh, look at, oh, she put little charms in here. Love this. Love this. I definitely need charm. Man, look at that. You did a really good job on those because I stink at making my little wraparound. I'm horrible. But I love the colors. They match the collection. This is so cute and such a good idea. I think it was Craft Purge, I think, who made these. Okay, I'm going to tie it later. Let's go. Oh, I love this one. You and me. Oh, I really like this paper. This print is so cute. And look at this seam binding. I ran out of my color seam binding. I say I'm going to get more and I don't. And then I bought some to make like my own colors. And I'm struggling here. Anyways, it turns out it's not made of the same material, so it doesn't pick up the color well. Oh, she used the Scrap Diva dies, you guys. Look at these. Oh, how cute. Oh my god, she made a lot of them. Look at this. Oh, this one's cute. The gummy bear. I really want gummy bear stuff. I don't know why. I don't even eat them. How cute is this? Look at the little tiny rosette. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I hope I sent enough because really, like, how adorable. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. This all deserves its own little reel. How am I going to do that and fit it all in one? Look at this. Oh my god, she jam-packed them in here. Woo! Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is like Christmas opening gifts. I didn't get a lot of gifts this year. We decided not to do any because, you know, how, look at this. And the little hearts. I love this paper. Oh my god, I need to get this collection. Oh, I don't have these words. They're little, lover, adore, Cupid. Oh, how cute. She just sent me oh my god, she sent me a whole ton of them. Look at this. Thank you so much because I do not have anything like handmade for Valentine's Day, like a lot of it. I think I've used almost all the stuff from the last swap that I did. I want to say I used a lot of it up already, so you just, but I might not want to use this. I might want to hoard this, you know. And oh, how cute. Kissy Mook, this paper. Okay, I said I wasn't going to order any more paper, but I'm going to go scrounge up what I can find. Oh, no way. Oh my God. I so needed color thread. Oh, my sewing machine has been taking dives on me, but it's been working lately. Only all I have right now, my color stuff is put away. Well, no, I actually used most of it when I was making face masks. So I'm kind of down to just hot pink, white, black, and I want to say red, but oh, look at this. This matches the collection. Now I have to get the collection, you guys. How cool. That's awesome. Thank you, Tina. This has been like, oh, just so awesome. And I'm so glad that I get to have your creations, because I don't think we've ever swapped. So this is really awesome to have some of your handmade goodies, and thank you so much for all the extra goodies you sent. I absolutely appreciate it, and I think this is probably gonna be one of my last swap this year, because I've been doing them for a year now, and it's a lot. But look at what you get to like take. I am so in love with this box and this tag flip, Tina. Oh my goodness, all of these goodies are just beyond. Thank you so much. V, I'm so glad that you asked me to join. Rachel, thank you so much for allowing me to participate. I sincerely appreciate it, and I hope you guys go to all the links listed in the description so that you guys can see everybody who participated in the swap and the one-on-ones that took place. I hope you guys have a fantastic Valentine's Day, and just feel loved today, because I definitely do. And come back for some more fun videos that I have coming up too. So thanks, Tina. Bye.